here so y'all can see the end result. Make sure y'all lined up and everything should. What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. And before we get started, I need y'all to do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Now, I don't know if a lot of y'all know how to work on the third brake light, which y'all see right there. I don't know if y'all know how to work on it or not, but I'm finna go ahead and show y'all because it's really not hard. It's all you need for your tools. It's just a screwdriver and then a light bulb. It's that easy, for real. A Phillip screwdriver is all you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to do it. I've done it, I've worked on it off camera and I fixed it. It was just a blown bulb, you feel me, which I put it right here. Y'all see that burnt bulb? So it was just a burnt blown bulb. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. I wish I would have waited until I was recording, but it'll be all right, you feel me? I can at least just show y'all how to work on it. It's not hard. Like I said, it's just Phillip screws and you just take the screws. I think it's two on the outside, on both outsides here, and once you get that off, the housing to come off, then it's two screws to get the top part of the housing, the top part up there, get that top part off, and then you can access the bulb and stuff. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna show y'all. He done been going up and down the street ever since I started working on this car, but it's fine, you feel me? But like I said, I'm gonna show y'all how to get it out and how to change the bulb and stuff on your third brake light. I don't know if it's like that for every car, but I know it's like that in the box Chevy, in this Cutlass. It's a couple other cars too, I'm pretty sure they all like that in the older cars anyways. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be trying to do. Well, not trying to do, that's why I'm finna agree to show y'all how to do, you feel me? So like I said, it's not hard, it's pretty quick, simple, and straightforward. Literally just Phillip screws, so it ain't gonna take us long to do this. And yeah, like I said, I've already fixed mine, but I think I need another little wiring clip because my wiring clip is like broke, you feel me? And I didn't do it, it was already broke when I pulled it off. So yeah, like I said, I'm finna get ready to show y'all how to do it. Gotta crawl in this back seat. Then after this video, I need to start cleaning up this interior a little bit, like wiping it down. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, stay forward, or stay forward. I don't know where I got for staying forward, but y'all stay tuned. We finna get into this. Like I said, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. And yeah, let me go ahead and crawl to the back seat and get my screwdriver because it's somewhere up over here. And my tools, I had to load up this car with tools. So yeah, let me find my screwdriver and we're gonna get to work on taking that third brake light out. So I ain't gonna lie, if I have passengers and they gotta ride in the back seat, I would hate to be down because bro, my legs are pretty long and I have literally no room in this seat. If it come all the way down, look at how I gotta sit, bro. I ain't even gonna lie, I would hate to be the passenger that gotta ride in the back, but as y'all can see, we in the back seat. I need to really clean these seats, but as of right now, I really don't care. But let me go ahead and show y'all what you gotta do to get these out. So as y'all see, it's a screw there, and there's one more screw here. So that's all you do to get that off. And once you get it off, you gotta unplug it. And yeah, so let me take y'all off of here, off my tripod, or my hand tripod, you feel me? Not my, take y'all off of there. So like I said, the way you gotta do it, you gotta get them screws off. So yeah, there's one screw there and then one on the opposite side. So I'm gonna get this opposite side first. And like I said, all you use is a Phillip screwdriver to get it off. All right, go ahead and show y'all. As y'all can see, there's one here, and I just got it off. If I can pull it out now. All right, that's the first one, and then we need to get this second one out, which is right here. So let me go ahead gonna sit y'all right there. All right, I hope y'all don't fall. Hope y'all don't fall. But yeah, you just get this second one out, which like I said, is just 2 on each side, and then the whole housing will come off. Cannot lose them screws because I need them. All right, and then once you do that, the whole housing will come off, you see? And it's 1 cord. So all you do is unplug that cord. And now we got that cord out. I need to clean this while I got it off. I'm gonna do that first before I throw it back on. I'm gonna clean this. But yeah, you feel me? It's just them 2 screws, 1, 2, and then it comes off. Then you undo the cord, and then to get to the bulb, you gotta get that one under it. So as y'all see, this the top, or this is flat, and then you gotta get it under. 1, 2, and then it'll come right off. So let's go ahead and get out of the car and try to do that. So yeah, as y'all see, I'm in the back seat, and it actually don't feel too hot back here. Like I said, it didn't warmed up outside, but oh, all right, yeah. So I need to go ahead and take a thumbnail picture too while I got this out, and my camera finna die. So I'm finna throw y'all on the charger, and then we're gonna go ahead and clean this off, and then we're gonna come back and try to get them screws out, and then to where we can access the bulb, which is right there. But you gotta get that off. Nah, I ain't trying to. Appreciate it. So yeah, you feel me? Just like that. See, like y'all heard it then. People keep it. That's a different dude that just asked me if I wanted to sell this car. Bro, you feel me? It makes me smile, the fact that people, not even older people, it's people closer to my age as well, that like old schools. And the fact that I got this car, it's a blessing. I finally got it back on the road and everything. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna clean this off, throw y'all on the charger, and I'm gonna come back to y'all. I'm gonna finish showing y'all how to change your bulb. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, so we finna go ahead and try and get to work on this. I'm gonna sit y'all right here, that way y'all can be on me. And then, like I said, all you do is just unscrew these bottom screws. That's all you do, and then it should come on apart. And then putting it back is so easy. It's the same way, you just screwing the screws back in. So go ahead and get both of these bottom screws undone. Then the top part of the housing should come straight off. And make sure y'all don't lose these screws, because they're long just for this housing, you feel me? So like I said, it comes right off, and then you got access to the bulb. And I told you I already changed my bulb, so it comes, all of it just comes apart just like this, even the red part. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that I got mine back working, and hopefully y'all could do the same if y'all need it. Putting this lens back on because it came off. All right, come on, y'all come with me. And get back in the car. Ooh. And then I'm gonna plug it right back up. Hold on. Just sit y'all. Well, y'all ain't even gonna be able to see. So let me just sit y'all right here really fast, and then hopefully y'all can see some of me trying to plug it back up. Ooh. And to take out the bulb, all you do is you put a little pressure on it to push it in, and then twist it to come undone. But y'all see, y'all just watch it, and y'all see it flash on. So all I needed was a bulb. Y'all see it? And I put a red bulb in it. So that's all I do. All you gotta do. So let me go ahead and unplug this. Y'all wait 1 second. Oh. All right, come on. Put it back together. So yeah, that's all you do. Literally, that's all you do. I can show y'all how to pull the bulb out real quick if you need me to. All right, so to pull it out, like I said, you just push it and twist, and then it come on out. Push and twist, that's all you do. And I gotta put it back in. put it back in, you gotta squeeze a little bit, because in here it's like a little clip right there, if y'all can see it. You gotta like push it in a little bit so it go past that clip, because that clip, it try to keep it tight in that housing. So and just like that, it's back in. So one more time we can test it. If y'all see on the side right here, y'all can see the bottom part of the bulb connecting to the little metal part of the electrical housing. So, or the electrical part of it. So we can plug it back in one more time, make sure everything is still working perfectly fine. Sit y'all there again. And then check it one more time to make sure everything is good. Hold on. Oh, I didn't plug it up right. Hold on. I don't think I plugged it up right. Alright, there you go. As y'all can see, that's all you do. So, like I said, it's not hard. It's fairly easy to do. Really easy, actually. There ain't nothing but Phillip screws. Anybody can really do it. If I can do it, I can say anybody can do it, because like I told y'all before, all I'm doing is learning. So to put it back together, make sure your lens goes back in this pocket part. The wind blowing pretty hard now. Like I said, it feels good because it ain't too hot and it ain't too cold. Alright, put that back in there. And when you're putting it back in there, make sure it line up with, y'all can't even really see, with them lines right with these. Make sure it line up with that so everything will screw back in right. Just to make sure everything will screw back in right. And then you drop these screws back up in there, and they should line itself up to where all you gotta do is screw it on. And that's how you change your third brake light. Just like that. It's that easy. Like I said, it ain't nothing but really getting the bulb and then having a screwdriver. Just like that. We back. And I done cleaned it, as y'all can see. I done cleaned it a little bit, so yeah, put this on back in there and we should be good to go. So yeah, let me put this back in there, and yeah, like I said, everything should be good to go. I'll show y'all the end result. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one. As y'all can see, got my third brake light back in. So I'm gonna sit y'all up out here so y'all can see the end result. Make sure y'all lined up and everything should be good to go. Y'all seen it? Cause I watched it on my camera. I know y'all seen it. Cause I was watching y'all, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, just like that, that's all you literally have to do to, you feel me, get that bulb to work. I even fixed some of my interior bulbs too off camera. I don't know if y'all can be able to tell. Y'all see it? Even on this side as well. Let me see. Y'all see? So I got them. The only ones I need to fix, well, the only one is this one, because my other side does work. See? So I just got to change both of them bulbs out, because I want these LED bright bulbs in, so, which I have on my floor. But yeah, like I said, that's all you do to fix the the third brake light, you feel me, all you literally have to do is have a Phillip screwdriver. So as y'all can see, we got it right back in where it's supposed to be, and it's that simple, that easy, you feel me. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Pretty quick, simple, straightforward, not too much, you feel me, not too hard. Hope y'all enjoy it. Like I said, y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, where y'all be notified every time I drop. If y'all got dreams and goals, don't chase them because I'm telling y'all to, just chase them because just so you can at least say that you tried. So if y'all got dreams and goals, go after y'all dreams and goals, you feel me. So you feel me, just to say that you tried, at least you tried. I'm chasing my dream right now, which is to be a YouTuber. So I'm chasing my dream. I hope y'all can do the same, just to say that y'all at least tried. So go after y'all dreams and goals, you feel me. And that's gonna be the end of this one. Like I said, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, where y'all be notified every time I drop. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. It's gonna be the end of this one. I'll catch y'all on the next one.